The Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health benefits and rich flavors, emphasizes whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fresh produce. Here are 10 nutritious breakfast ideas inspired by this diet to kickstart your day with energy and vitality. 1. Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse. Top it with a drizzle of honey and a handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts for added crunch and healthy fats. This combination provides a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to keep you full and satisfied. 2. Avocado toast with tomatoes and olive oil. Whole grain toast spread with mashed avocado and topped with sliced tomatoes and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil is a nutrient-dense start to your day. Avocados offer healthy monounsaturated fats, while tomatoes provide antioxidants like lycopene. 3. Spinach and feta omelet. Whip up an omelet with fresh spinach and crumbled feta cheese. Spinach is rich in iron and vitamins, while feta adds a tangy flavor and a dose of calcium. Serve with a side of whole grain toast for added fiber. 4. Oatmeal with fresh berries and chia seeds. Cooked oats topped with fresh berries and chia seeds create a fiber-rich breakfast that supports digestive health. Berries are packed with antioxidants, and chia seeds add omega-3 fatty acids and protein. 5. Smoked salmon and whole grain bagel. A whole grain bagel spread with light cream cheese and topped with smoked salmon, capers, and red onions provides a delightful mix of flavors and textures. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health. 6. Mediterranean breakfast bowl. Combine quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and a poached egg in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and a sprinkle of oregano for a balanced meal rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. 7. Hummus and veggie wrap. Spread hummus on a whole grain tortilla and fill it with fresh veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and spinach. Hummus provides plant-based protein and fiber, while veggies add vitamins and minerals. 8. Cottage cheese with pineapple and mint. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein and calcium. Top it with fresh pineapple chunks and a sprinkle of chopped mint for a refreshing and satisfying breakfast. 9. A fig and ricotta toast. Whole grain toast topped with creamy ricotta cheese and fresh figs creates a delicious balance of flavors. Figs add natural sweetness and fiber, while ricotta offers protein and calcium. 10. Breakfast smoothie. Blend together spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk for a quick and nutritious breakfast smoothie. This drink is packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein to keep you energized throughout the morning. Incorporating these Mediterranean-inspired breakfast ideas into your routine can provide a variety of nutrients, support heart health, and keep you feeling full and energized until your next meal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.